Oh, hey, I did not see you there. I was just scrolling through all the entries that we have for the giveaway because 2 weeks have passed since we announced the giveaway, and every 2 weeks we are going to give away one of the smaller prizes. However, before we are going to announce the first winner, I first would like to show you some of the entries that we've gotten. I hope you like all the entries that we've gotten over the past 2 weeks. So before I'm going to tell you who the winner is of the first smaller prize that we're going to give away, I first would like to point out that even though you might win a smaller prize, that doesn't mean that you cannot still win the Sonic Mighty 4K. So it's actually possible to win multiple prizes. Now I would like to announce the first winner of the first round from this giveaway. And the first winner is, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Patrick Grans. Congratulations, Patrick! And for everyone else, do not be disappointed. Just follow and like our Facebook and Instagram page and keep sending in those entries. Be sure that you meet all the requirements, and who knows, maybe you'll win next time, or maybe you will win the Sonic Mighty 4K. Good luck, and I'll see you next time. Bye!